Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best under-sink organizer to transform your messy cabinets into organized storage? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best under-sink organizers that combine smart design, durability, and easy installation. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room, these picks will help maximize every inch of space. Let's dive right in. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product, Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1, Delamu Under-Sink Organizer. Taking the number 1 spot is the Delamu Under-Sink Organizer, a premium storage solution designed to maximize cabinet space while keeping everything within easy reach. Its sliding drawer design allows you to access cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials without bending or digging through clutter. Built with durable materials, this organizer offers excellent stability, even when holding heavier bottles and containers. Installation is quick and tool-free, making it perfect for renters and homeowners alike. The modern design blends beautifully into kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and utility cabinets. Adjustable shelves provide flexibility for tall spray bottles and other oversized items, while the open frame keeps everything well ventilated. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting organizer that combines functionality with sleek design, the Delamu Under-Sink Organizer is easily one of the best choices available. It delivers outstanding value, impressive storage capacity, and effortless organization for almost any cabinet in your home. Product number 2. G-Bomb Under-Sink Organizer. Coming in at number 2 is the G-Bomb Under-Sink Organizer, a versatile organizer designed for homeowners who need both durability and convenience. Featuring a smooth pull-out drawer system, it allows you to reach cleaning products and household supplies without creating unnecessary mess. The sturdy metal construction supports heavier items while remaining resistant to rust and moisture, making it ideal for humid kitchen and bathroom environments. Its compact footprint fits under most sinks while still maximizing vertical storage space. Assembly is fast and requires no complicated tools, making setup incredibly simple. Non-slip feet keep the organizer securely in place, while its elegant finish complements modern home decor. Whether you're storing detergents, toiletries, or pantry items, the G-Bomb Under-Sink Organizer helps reduce clutter and improve accessibility. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting a practical storage upgrade without spending a fortune. Product number 3, Sevenblue 3-Pack 2-Tier Under-Sink Organizers. At number 3, we have the Sevenblue 3-Pack 2-Tier Under-Sink Organizers, an outstanding value for anyone organizing multiple areas around the home. Instead of buying a single organizer, you receive 3 separate units that work perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or office cabinets. Each organizer features a 2-tier sliding basket design that maximizes vertical storage while making everyday items easy to access. The durable construction provides excellent stability, and the waterproof materials make cleaning incredibly simple. Installation is fast with no drilling required, allowing anyone to set them up in minutes. Their versatile design accommodates cleaning supplies, toiletries, spices, snacks, or beauty products. If you're looking for an affordable storage solution that covers multiple cabinets at once, the Sevenblue 3-Pack offers exceptional value, flexibility, and organization for busy households. Product number 4, Decava Under-Sink Organizer 2-Pack. Our 4th pick is the Decava Under-Sink Organizer 2-Pack, offering excellent organization at an attractive price. Receiving 2 organizers makes it perfect for both kitchen and bathroom cabinets, while maintaining a consistent storage system throughout your home. Each organizer includes a convenient pull-out drawer that provides quick access to frequently used items. The durable frame supports heavy cleaning products while maintaining excellent stability. Its compact dimensions fit comfortably under most sinks without wasting valuable cabinet space. Assembly is simple and requires no special tools, making installation beginner-friendly. The waterproof shelves are easy to wipe clean and resist moisture over time. Overall, the Decava 2-Pack combines affordability, quality construction, and practical storage, making it an excellent option for families looking to organize multiple spaces efficiently. Product number 5. Kitster-Rack Under Sink Organizer. At number 5 is the Kitster-Rack Under Sink Organizer, a practical solution designed to help eliminate clutter while maximizing cabinet storage. Its two-tier layout creates additional vertical space, allowing you to neatly separate cleaning products, toiletries, kitchen accessories, or household essentials. The sliding lower basket glides smoothly, making it easy to reach items stored in the back. Strong support legs provide excellent stability, while the waterproof construction ensures long-lasting durability, even in damp environments. Its minimalist appearance blends well with virtually any kitchen or bathroom decor. Installation takes only a few minutes, making it ideal for busy homeowners seeking a quick organization upgrade. If you want dependable storage without overspending, the Kitster-Rack Under Sink Organizer delivers impressive functionality, durability, and everyday convenience. Product number 6. PX-Rack Under Sink Organizer. Rounding out today's list is the PX-Rack Under Sink Organizer, a versatile organizer that's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and utility spaces. Designed with practicality in mind, it features a spacious two-tier layout that maximizes storage while keeping everything easily accessible. The pull-out drawer allows quick access to supplies hidden in the back, reducing frustration during everyday use. Durable metal construction provides excellent weight capacity, while the rust-resistant finish ensures years of reliable performance. Its compact size fits beneath most sinks, making it suitable for apartments, condos, and family homes alike. Assembly is straightforward and requires minimal effort. For anyone searching for an affordable, dependable, and easy-to-use under-sink storage solution, the PX-Rack Under Sink Organizer is a smart addition to any home organization project. Thanks for watching my top 6 best under-sink organizers. I hope this review helped you find the perfect storage solution. Let me know your favorite in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and check the links below for prices, deals, and additional product information.